Welcome back guys. Today's video is on the final of the 3 pillars of videography and photography for the best image possible out of your camera. The final pillar is aperture. It is much like shutter speed in that it controls the amount of light coming into your sensor. However, that is where the similarities end. Aperture is not measured in fractions of seconds, but rather in f-stops, so it would be the likes of f1.4, f2.8, f4, f5, f6, f7, and so on. To understand f-stops, you have to take a look at the back of your lens. Now, within this, there is several blades which expand and contract depending on the number of f-stop you're using to allow the maximum amount of light into your camera to hit the sensor, or to give the minimal amount of light if you're doing long exposures. This can come in handy as well. Aperture controls what is known as depth of field. Now, the higher the f-stop number, the larger the depth of field will be with everything in good focus. On the other hand, a lower f-stop, say 2.8, will give you a very shallow depth of field, whereby it is only the stuff closest to the lens that will be in focus. The rest of it will be unfocused and have the aesthetic quality known as bokeh. Bokeh is basically the abstract aesthetic pattern that happens when you have a shallow depth of field and the background takes on the characteristics of the type of iris you have from the blades in your camera. Mastering these 3 pillars and knowing when you can break some of these rules will give you the best chance in creating some of the best imagery possible when it comes to photography and videography. If you found these videos useful, please don't hesitate on clicking that subscribe button down below and you'll be notified when the next videos come out. Alternatively, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help or answer any in future videos. If you don't know me already, I'm Craig, a videographer from Scotland. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.